Are you tired of feeling scattered and struggling to maintain focus on the multiple areas of your life? Do you find yourself constantly juggling tasks, responsibilities, and interests, never fully immersing yourself in any one thing? Well, fear not, because I'm here to help you unlock the secrets to getting focused on everything that matters to you. Whether it's work, personal goals, hobbies, or relationships, I've got a treasure trove of strategies to share with you. Get ready to dive into a world where productivity, mindfulness, and prioritization come together to create a harmonious symphony of focus. Together, we'll navigate the challenges and distractions, discovering how to allocate your attention effectively and achieve a state of flow in every aspect of your life. So, fasten your seatbelt and get ready to embark on a transformative journey towards mastering the art of focus. The world is yours to conquer, one task at a time. In the fast-paced and information-saturated world we live in, maintaining focus on multiple areas of our lives can feel like an uphill battle. With work demands, personal aspirations, social commitments, and endless distractions vying for our attention, it's no wonder we often find ourselves spread thin, unable to fully engage in any one endeavor. But fear not, for there are proven strategies and techniques that can help you regain control and channel your focus across various domains. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can enhance your productivity, achieve greater efficiency, and experience a sense of fulfillment in all areas of your life. One essential step is to prioritize and set clear goals. Take some time to reflect on what truly matters to you, both in the short term and the long term. Identify the key areas that require your attention, such as career, relationships, personal growth, health, and hobbies. By establishing specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound goals for each area, you provide yourself with a roadmap that directs your focus. To further support your focus, it's crucial to create a structured schedule that allocates dedicated time slots for each priority. Designate specific blocks of time for work-related tasks, personal projects, self-care, and leisure activities. By adhering to this schedule, you cultivate a disciplined mindset and train your brain to focus on the task at hand during each designated period. Mindfulness practices can also play a pivotal role in enhancing your ability to concentrate. Incorporate meditation or mindfulness exercises into your daily routine to strengthen your attention muscle. By training your mind to stay present in the moment, you develop the capacity to resist distractions and fully immerse yourself in whatever you're doing. A key component of maintaining focus on everything is managing and minimizing distractions. Identify the factors that tend to divert your attention and take steps to mitigate them. This might involve silencing your phone or using apps that block access to social media during focused work periods. Creating a conducive environment, free from clutter and excessive noise, can also contribute to a more focused mindset. Breaking down larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps is another effective strategy. When faced with a daunting project or goal, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and lose focus. However, by dividing tasks into bite-sized portions, you can tackle them one by one, celebrating your progress along the way. This approach not only enhances your focus but also fuels your motivation and prevents burnout. Physical health plays a significant role in your mental acuity and focus. Ensure you prioritize proper sleep, regular exercise, and a balanced diet. Physical well-being provides a solid foundation for mental clarity and sustained focus. Make time for regular movement breaks, stretch your body, and engage in activities that help you relax and recharge. Remember, balance is key to maintaining focus across various areas of your life. Utilize productivity tools and techniques to support your focus. Explore apps, software, or physical planners that help you stay organized, manage tasks, and track your progress. Productivity methods like the Pomodoro technique, time blocking, or task batching can optimize your focus and increase productivity by providing structure and a sense of urgency. Finally, staying genuinely interested and passionate about the areas you're focusing on can significantly enhance your ability to concentrate. Cultivate curiosity, seek out new challenges, and find joy in the pursuit of knowledge or mastery. When you're passionate about what you do, maintaining focus becomes less of a struggle and more of a natural inclination. Thank you for tuning in to this video, and I sincerely hope that the information shared has provided you with valuable insights on how to enhance your focus and productivity. By implementing the strategies discussed, you'll be equipped with the tools to navigate the challenges of a fast-paced world and make the most of your time and energy. Remember, developing focus is a journey, so be patient with yourself and celebrate the progress you make along the way. Here's to a more focused and productive future.